Hey guys, welcome back to the Developer School, and I love you to you guys. So being for your support. Today my channel has been completed like 1k subscriber as well. So this is all just from you, and that is the love from you guys. And for that I'm just actually in love with you guys. Okay. So like yesterday we have talked about like a master's course of Laravel. So in this course what we will gonna do, I just explained in recent video. If you haven't watched, you can directly check it out there. I will mention the link of it, and I have the separated playlist for it, so you can directly check out my playlist as well. So you will find out the new videos inside that. So today we will talk about actually Laravel. So this one is video about the Laravel, like how to install Laravel. But before going to with this, we should have to know about the Composer. So if you seen my like interviews, I was asking to the peoples about Composer, and the random peoples are actually saying that like a Composer was in a kind of a dependency and will come in use to like install the Laravel. But actually Composer can do much more than that. Okay, so let's go over the Composer website so that we can talk about it. So this one is my website of not my website, this is the website of Composer actually. So here we are over the Composer. Now you can see like this person is look like a magician or like a something like piano artist who is play like na 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 na, you know? So he looks like that actually. So this person is like what is actually, so if as I recently told you, a dependency manager of for PHP. So like what people are saying that is important for Laravel. No, it is a dependency manage for PHP although. Okay, so this is for PHP. So like if you are working with CI, you are working with CodeIgnite, CI, these mean CodeIgnite, Symfony and all, you can directly use Composer as well there. So this is not about the Laravel, this is all about for the PHP as well. So let's start it about the getting started over there. When we are going the getting started, so like it is for the Linux, it is for the separated for the like Mac OS, separated for the Windows one. So first of all, like if you would like to install it inside your video, so directly go over the download one. What you should have to do, just like click over this composer setup.exe. When you will download it, like the one file will download it to your system. So what I will gonna do, I will gonna download my folder, just copy it, and then I will open inside my htdocs. So if you know about htdocs, it was quite good. If you know not about it, so then it is the folder of a XAMPP. So what is XAMPP? You can directly install XAMPP from like here. XAMPP is for, it is in a custom environment for like a local environment for the PHP. If you want to run like PHP, Apache, MariaDB, MySQL over your local server, then you should have to install XAMPP. Because of that, it will provide you a local server where you can create your PHP applications, your SQL servers and all. So like to be running the SQL servers on local servers, that one is the important part. So this is it. And in future we will talk about like over XAMPP like very like further ways. Like if you see like XAMPP has the many problems as well, how to resolve them, we will cover up all though actually. Because of that, like coding is a part of where you have to resolve the all of the problems which are actually coming in your programming. So that we will like consider also. Like one thing is that I was speaking so fast. So if you feel that like I'm speaking so fast, please tell me so that I can like try to speak like this, like in the pauses, so that you can listen properly and understand properly. Because my only reason is to make this video is to be helping you guys, not for me, not for my channel growth. That is the external part. First of all, I want like as I get when I was just learning this Laravel, learning the coding, I don't have supports. I watching so many videos over the YouTube and all, but I don't get the actual advice, so that's why I just have the like primary thing is to be making you realize that someone is here to help you. And for that you guys are showing me love, and that is for that like I'm just again loving with you. So that is all about the XAMPP. Okay, so this is one is XAMPP. You can install XAMPP from here. Okay, so if you don't know like how to install XAMPP, you can directly mention me in the comment box. We can go through with that as well. But I believe so like if we are working over Laravel, then you guys are familiar with XAMPP actually. Okay, so for installing the Composer, like directly you have clicked over there, you have one file. So that file installed, like downloaded in my downloads folder. So this one is my file. So I will cut from here, and this paste to the my actual directly where I just want to install the Composer. Okay, then when you are just inside this folder, like here you have to install, like you will cmd type here. This will open a command line for you. Now you should have to run these commands. So one by one I will gonna do run these commands. Okay, So you will see like these command will actually try to install your like this what composer inside your particular one's PC, so that you can you don't have to add in the custom local environment as well. Okay, so what I am just doing, I am just like doing composer setup. Actually I have composer already, but like I just updated my composer recently. So like in my recent video I just asked about one person about like what is composer update. So he told me like it is a trying thing of to updating the composer. No, that is not for the composer update, that is for the updating the dependencies provided by the composer. Okay, so we will talk further about that also in the upcoming videos, but that is not necessary currently. So like when we are just going inside the deep, and I was thinking that I am just receiving a good audience like who just care about like my efforts, then I will try to explain those all of also, so that that will be good for me as well. Like I'm just sharing my knowledge, like sharing my entire careers, everything, you know, like that is my like treasure, whatever I have earned like in my experience. So I'm just sharing with you. For that I have to receive the like love from you guys. So if you haven't like subscribe my channel, please do that. That gives me motivation actually. So this one is it what we have did, like we have installed composer already. So if I will type like composer composer, so you will see like here it will show me all of the related commands available with the like this. So what we can do, like if we do like something this, okay, so we will like get this know like what is actually available with us for the this composer one. So like I have the composer 2.66 version. You can see this command line has like this composer in very big letters actually. So this is the created like being here, which is like the optional CS designing, and you can see like all of the available commands with it. So we don't have to use it currently. This is the only way to install the like fastest way to install the composer actually. So let me clear this one. Now what I will gonna do, actually I just in love with installing the like using the command line with this git bash, because I am just working over the Linux actually, so that I have knowledge of that. So I am just frequently using the commands like clear, ls and all of the things which is not generally work in the local command line. So here we are what we did, we have installed the composer. After this, like we have to go over the website of Laravel. So I will gonna type this Laravel. You will see inside the Laravel you can see documentation or a get started, whatever you would like to do. So here you will see there was something like that, composer create project Laravel example app. If you gonna go with this, then composer will directly install the latest version of Laravel. Now the issue is that like all of the version has been dependent over the PHP actually. So like you have to check it out, like if Laravel 11 is working with that or not. Okay, so like whatever your like PHP version, like composer will try to install the latest version of it. So this one is for it. Secondly, what you can do, you can install the global Laravel installer. What will be happen from this, if you have Laravel installer inside your package, you can install the Laravel any version based on your PHP version. So that is the basic one, and this is the important actually, because if you are doing like this, what will be happen, if we will have to work over Laravel 11, we can work over Laravel 11. Want to work over 10, we can create the project of 10. So that is the important. Now I will do Laravel new example app, and this will help me to create a Laravel actually app. So this will say me like from the name I have already like app installed, which is example app is already here. So what I will gonna do, I will remove this first rm-rf example app, and that like will remove from my project. So if I will run this command again, like Laravel new example app, so you will see like Laravel try to install like the latest version of Laravel inside my project. So latest version is currently 11.1. Inside the 11, so many new things are coming. We will talk about this in upcoming videos, so that we will get this know like why Laravel, actually what is Laravel, how to implement the Laravel, what is the basic uses of Laravel, and so many other things. So I hope so you will learn out like how to you can like set up your Laravel project actually. What is the mean of these two lines, like if we are installing from this, that what is the mean, if we are installing from this, what is the mean. Okay, and PHP artisan serve will simply serve your application here. Okay, in this we will not cover up the Docker and all, because of that, for that we should have to go over the Docker as well and have to search over the dependency. We will make the separate videos for that, so like we can go further in future for that as well. But currently we are just going up with the all of the latest functionalities of Laravel. So today this is for enough for today, I wish so. So I will gonna upload this video. If you like this, please like, subscribe, share my channel, and share with your guys, so that like I will achieve the motivation from you. Thank you so much for watching at the Red Developer School.